Hey guys, Eve here. So today I'm going to be sorting my mini squishies. But before we do that, we're going to go over them. So first let's do the pandas. So I have my big jumbo panda with the pink bow. Kind of slow rising. And then I have this, the pink panda with the pink bow. And that's a panda obviously. And I have my white mini panda. Bun, and I have my pink panda bun with its tongue sticking in. And I also have this bread with the panda face. And yeah, kind of slow rising. These are this is very slow rising. This is kind of slow rising. That's kind of slow rising too. And now let's do food. So we'll just, and yeah, so it's really slow. It's not really slow, right? It's kind of slow rising. Yeah. And this, a bun with gold icing, no face, not slow rising at all, kind of just bounces back. And then we have a very, very slow rising hamburger with a happy face, I believe. And lots of food. And then we have this bun that has a face also. Not slow rising at all, just pops back up. And we have this Eat Me cracker with a heart, referencing to Alice in Wonderland. And we have this, yellow donut with chocolate swirl, very slow rising, no face. We have this kawaii loaf of bread, pink, really cute. And we have this other loaf of bread. There's a lot of food. We have this other loaf of bread, pretty slow rising, starry-eyed loaf of bread. And we have another, and we have the evil cat cracker with a bun, bun with the bite taken out of it. And that's all for food. Now to animals. And so we have this turtle. I thought about putting with food, but I think it's just a turtle. With kind of a sloppy face. Okay. And we have this, this one's kind of slow rising. We have this, not really slow rising, green bear. They're right here. And then I think of this as a cat. Yeah, tell me what you think it is in the comments. Yeah, kind of slow rising, yellow cat. And we have this very slow rising, very soft yellow bear. And then we have kind of like the pig emoji. Really soft, pretty slow rising pig. And this, I couldn't really put it into a category because it's a mushroom. So just gonna put it in miscellaneous with the rest of the miscellaneous with it, which is nothing else. But it's cute. It's pretty slow rising. And yeah. Okay, so this is our panda category. There is 5 in that. This is our food category. And there are 9 in this category. And then we have our animal category. There are only 5. And then we have the miscellaneous mushroom category. There's only 1. So thank you so much for watching. So leave a like and a comment, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't. So bye.